in the high summer, they'll be up in here next to all these cliffs, but right now I just think they're just sitting in the farm.
Gotcha. Down lower.
Stuff, yeah.
All right. Well, certainly a 10 out of 10 for aesthetics, bro.
Good,
wow.
Good. I'm glad. Nice job.
We can go, we can be free. Lost in the moment, you can clearly see.
Great idea.
Across the ocean, take me away. I can hear
That's what we came for, huh, buddy?
This is what...
like a shaman. Set my
tiniest fucking hole.
I can feel it in my bones. A love so ancient, I already know. And it's taking me home. Where I lay my soul, a million miles away.
Feels good, huh?
An island still remains.
Let's go chase some big trout.
A million miles away. Paradise and dreams play.
Hey, hey, this is the third
Across the ocean, make my way over storms and many breaks.
We can see these big bull trout are just devouring
And when I woke, it set me
this
free.
articulated streamer. Look at the colors on that thing's fin. That's bigger than the last one, maybe.
Sail away. You know I found my peace.
Nice job, Emmett.
You know where you'll find me. I can feel it in my bones. A love so ancient, I already know. And it's taking me home. Where I lay my soul, a million miles away. An island still remains. A million miles away. Paradise and dreams play.
The newest addition to the family, huh?
Never gets to play a fish, you know, then I'll start rolling the boat. You know, so every once in a while he lands a fish, right? Distracting bird.
It's pretty exciting.
A million miles away.
We're fishing in some small water today.
A million miles away.
That's a cicada. Can you see him pretty well?
Paradise and dreams
Two.
play.
Holy smokes. This is awesome, guys. Let's get this fish in and see what we got here.
I'm gonna kind of bring this out by the tail if I can. A little bit.
His orange dots match his belly. You see that?
His orange dots match his belly.
Yeah, we gotta let him go.
He's begging to,
He
well,
fruits.
thanks for playing, fish. We're
Thank
gonna.
you. You're my first one. Oh man.
Amazing little pup. This is Eric's healer, Bo Katan, as I say
Yeah.
that right?
Yep.
She's almost 12 weeks. She's just a little furball of love. Just woke up from a nap and she's so excited. Yeah, what a sweet girl. Hey, Bubba. Such a sweet pup. Thanks, Eric, for letting me hang out with your new dog here, buddy. This is awesome.
No problem,
This
brother.
is so awesome. You're
So cool to meet you.
You too, buddy.
She's acted like she's missed you for
missed me
years.
forever.
Across the ocean, make my way over storms